District ya Kiruhura impangwero mu Kiruhura hamwe na Kazo begisera hansi yo no kuze kiro cyo mwana wo mushiki ekiro kujaguzibwa burubiro mwenda byo kwezi ku 10 buri mwaka. Minister w'ihangu w'emico n'emitwaro zero zirire Akero nuwajuye kiro muhwezi wa President Meja Jessica Arupo obirayisirwe ko mugenye mukuru kandi yerekero kwatwaho ahabwe nshonga yo Omubaro gw'abaana babishya bari kugema kuzo mu bushwere bakiri bato kweyongyera.
Kuna beninde abantu aho musiyamye ka 11 kanta kubasa kumanguni mbasa korganya mbo muntu kanye mamu nafi.
My dear sisters, you forgive them. If you get them on the way, give them what they want, but God will punish them for making you suffer. So the message is, my little ones, my little girls, have faith. If you see that your father wants to sell you your mother, God will open a way.
Kandi twenda mukibeho buri mwaka. Izoba kere rango barabarikireho tugaricyaha tugume nsima abakazi ababayira bo mu gashomu politics ababayira abo mu gashomu kurisa no mukinga ababayira abo mu gashomu bwegese kugira ngo ecyo kikayongera abana babeshiki omuhimbo okureba ngo bashoma nabo baba kabantu abo
okuchondoza no koreka ngo umwana omuha abana bana abari hansi y'imyaka 15 no bagemeserezwa kushwerwa obwe bakiro bato mu district ya Kazo na Kiruhura.
Of 328,077, but of those 47,898 are young women. That is the age that constitutes 15% of the children between 0 to 17 years. Of those, 12.4% as we talk now have given birth, while over 7.5% are married off.
Abandi bebembeza bashikira ha mukorogo habire harimo no wabireho minister w'ihango wo kurebuza ibyentunguka ningashi economic monitoring more kamkama kandi ubwo ashabire nkwatanisa okurwanisa omuzogo.
But the problem is there. Poverty is there. And it is poverty mainly that is causing dropout. So as leaders, we need to focus on the cause. The cause is poverty.
Omuntu wawandize kutunga dini yo kristayo omura Africa na Asia akayumkazi abasheja bakabariyaho ecya kabiri mwa mutakukimanya abakazi nuwa wawandize kureta makuru marungi go kuzoka kwa Yesu kandi ubwo Yesu aketa abasheji 12 konka abakazi nuba bandiza kituru kureta makuru abasheja beshirikire.
And at all times we will defend these young women.
Taruho kintu cyo busasa nk'umuntu kutunga mugishaka kuburro mugasho abo ko umwana wo mushiki kumutunga no mugisha konko mugisha gwa kuburro mugasho n'ikintu cyo busasa munonga.
Omukoro gwo guhendire bari kutongoza we horuro eyo kurwanisa okushweza abana bakero bato mu district zombiri kandi abebembeza bashikira ha mukoro gwo batire mikono handagano eyo kutware horuro ejo misho gasha kwa era kiza na Richard Nahabwe.